Hey, what's up everybody? It's Landon with LMR.com. It's Dyno Day. And the car we're dynoing today is LMR's 2024 Atlas Blue Dark Horse. We've had this car on order for quite some time now and it finally showed up. We're excited that it's finally here, get our hands on it, drive it, kind of unravel it, do all the things we do. But for those of you that have been shopping for Dark Horse cars, handling packs specifically, you know that they've been taking a little while to get to you. And that was definitely the case for this car. But what we're doing today, we're just doing baseline stock numbers. We're not gonna mess with any carbon traps, high flow filters, we're not gonna mess with any of that sorcery. This is going to be a stock pool in 5th gear with 93 octane fuel. Other dyno specifics would be, this has a handling pack, so it has a 19x11 rear wheel with the 315/30/19 Pirelli tire. We're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're all nice and tight. It's go time. All right, let's take a look at some numbers. But we got a pretty good day to dyno. 79 degrees here in the shop, about 54% humidity. It's nice for Texas. Let me say that. But we'll go ahead and pull up some results here. So the 5th gear hit, car made 435.6 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 382.9 pound-feet of torque at 4,900 RPM. And for those of you that don't know, the Dark Horses were rated at 500 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. So if you do some simple drivetrain loss, this car is making exactly the power that it should. And being that it's a factory car, that graph is as pretty as ever. So we're glad we got some baseline numbers on the Dark Horse. You never know what's next. You never know what's up our sleeves, but we are going to continue with this car, do some stuff to it as time goes on. So be on the lookout for it here on the channel. As always, if y'all find value in what we do, subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn on notifications, and then until we see the next one for all things Dark Horse Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiast, LMR.com.